video. Today I'm going to be doing lots of bee quests, and I'm going to be showing you how to do them. So first of all, these quests are really hard, so that means that if you're just getting on the game and you need to do quests, these are not for you. I don't know what quest I am doing, but I know they're on high level. Not like really high, they're like on high level, but you'll see that in the video, don't worry. I'm working on this quest that says defeat 15 ladybugs. I defeated 4. I gotta wait for ladybugs to spawn every like few minutes. Like, it's so hard. But it's not really hard. You just gotta wait for ladybugs to spawn, wasting my time. But don't worry about that. We'll get through it together. And so usually a ladybug will spawn here, but you see it's a timer on it. So I gotta wait for ladybugs to spawn every few minutes. And I'm getting really mad about that, but I don't want to rage on my channel. So yeah, we're just gonna wait. And yeah, just gotta wait. This one like 50 seconds, like 54 seconds. Okay, so this one's and this one, it's 54 seconds. We're just gonna wait for that ladybug to come, and then my bees will kill it. So I could basically just stand still, but I like to dodge them, so they'll be distracted while my bees kill them. I'm doing some tactics right now. Really sweet. I'm just gonna wait till it's right. Once again, sorry for the background. Okay. They're fine. So yeah, I finally killed them.